Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is day 159 of my coding journey. So guys, the time is coming. The wife had a dream that her water broke last night, and yeah, she just feels like the time is really near, maybe within like a week or two. So yeah, I'll be taking a break. I mentioned this a few videos back. I'll be taking like a 2-3 week break from just coding and YouTube. I've been doing this straight for a half a year, every single day. Haven't missed one day. I've been learning something new every single day. So this break is long overdue. So yeah, like I said in the video, I'll be continuing where I left off. So if I leave off at day 170, I'll come back 2-3 weeks later and just continue at 171. Because it sucks that I gotta end the streak, but it's for good reasons. My third child is here, and that's more important than all of this stuff. Um, so yeah, today I plan on working on the full stack e-commerce site. I have a list of things that I want to do to it before. I still haven't added the products. I made a few videos back that I was gonna add the products, but I ended up messing with this bug. I forgot what it was. There was a bug on here that I couldn't figure out, and it took me like 3 hours to figure it out. I forgot what it was. Yeah, I forgot. It was something to do with the cart, I believe. I think I know what it was. So every time I went to refresh the page, the cart would stay open for some reason. I think I fixed it though, so let's see. So yeah, it's closed. So every time I refresh, the cart like just stayed open for some reason. So I guess like the initial value was it just stayed open like as soon as you refresh, and you had to close it. So it was weird. But I fixed that, and let me just make sure it's working before I move on to the next. Okay, perfect. And I think there was something else too. So let me just make sure everything is working. So we currently signed in. I haven't been in this file in like 2 days. I've just been working on the weather app that I just dropped tutorial on, and I've been working on other stuff that I'm working on a tic-tac-toe game. It's a little tutorial that I'm gonna drop next week. Just been grinding, man. It's crazy, but I'm learning so much. Like my confidence level is really increasing when it comes to like React and JavaScript. Like I'm really starting to get a lot more confident. And whenever I come back from break, I do plan on job hunting for my first junior developer position, and hopefully I can go into the interview with confidence and ace it, like get the job. Hopefully, I know it's gonna take a while to actually land a position because I heard it's pretty tough to get one nowadays. But uh, while I'm looking, I'm still gonna be learning and making YouTube videos and stuff like that. So let's see. So currently signed in. I'm gonna go ahead and sign out. I'm just making sure everything's working still. I'm gonna currently sign out and go add the wish list. So it says must be signed in. So we got to sign in to add the wish list. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in with Facebook again. And we are signed in. And then I'm gonna go add the wish list now. Now it adds the wish list. We get the little green confirmation. And we go to wish list and it's right there. I still haven't styled this yet. I think I might style it in a few days. I still have a bunch of stuff that I want to do. I got a list of things I want to go over. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it, and now it's out the cart. I'm gonna go add it back actually because I want to see if. So we don't have anything in our cart now. I'm gonna go add it from cart from my wish list. Now it's there in the cart, which is nice. So let's go ahead and check out. And we should be presented with the checkout form. Nice. So we got our checkout form. Let's go back to cart and add some more quantity. Okay, so everything seems to work. So there's a few things that I want to do today. First things first, whenever there's no items in the wish list, I just want something here that says your wish list is empty. So remove all of this here and just put your wish list is empty. And then once the quantity is over 1, then we'll render out this stuff. And then for the cart, same thing. Just want, because right now it's just a blank screen. I want something here that says, you know, your cart is empty, and then when the quantity is over 1, it'll render out, you know, the rest of the stuff. So that's 2 things I want to do today. That shouldn't take too long. That'll probably take 20 minutes at most. But another thing I want to do, so if I head over to the store, I kind of like messed up I didn't mess it up, but like, I don't know, it's kind of unorganized. So I have a wish list like state in here, and I got it mixed up with the used cart store. And you know, the wish list and the cart are 2 separate things. So I want to like create a used wish list store. So I'm gonna like I'm gonna remove like this right here and put it in its own, you know, store. That's set payment intent, that stays in the cart. So like this, the remove wish list, the add to wish list, and there's a few other ones. So toggle wish list, wish list here. This is the empty array that we push all the items to. So yeah, I'm gonna create like a whole like used wish list store just to be a little bit more organized, because I don't think it should be here in a cart store, because it's 2 separate things. So I'm gonna do that. And another thing is try to add some products. I know I've been saying I'm gonna add products. It's just every time I go to add products, something happens on the site that I have to fix. So I think I got most of the functionality working, like the back end. I got it all complete. So inside the database, let's go to Railway. This capture and everything. Oh yeah, that's another thing I want to do actually. This stuff keep popping up, you see? Every time I go to something new pops up. So let's go to premium caps, and on a database, for some reason, go to order. It says pending when I check out. So this should say pending because we didn't check out completely. But let me show you guys. So let's go. Let's add it to the cart right quick, and let's go check out. And whenever we check out, even though the payment is successful on Stripe, it still says pending on my database. So I'm gonna try to fix that. So 4242424 424 424 2344. Alright. So processing, and this is another thing that I want to work on, the success page. So it just says back to store. But whenever we click back to store, it so let me show you guys. Let me add this to the cart. So we currently got an item in our cart. Oh wow, it clears it. Okay. Whenever we click back to store, it clears it out. But I guess whenever we click off of it as well, it clears it out. That's weird. Okay. Okay, cool. Changing this to successful. So I want to work on that. And let's see, and a few other things if I can find it. So that's basically it for this video. Just gonna work on this site today, get all some miscellaneous things done, and then it's really I created a wireframe actually, but I left it in my bag, in my computer bag in the car. I created like a little wireframe on paper of how I want the site. So we got the little header section, and here it's gonna be like a little logo section, maybe like as featured in or something, and then underneath that it's gonna be some products, and then a banner, there's some more products, and maybe like a blog at the bottom, and then a footer. So yeah, it's gonna look nice. But yeah, that's it for me today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.